Master, that man was born blind. He's accepted his life the way it is. Why then change it?
He lives in darkness. And as long as I am in the world, I am the light of the world.
No, don't leave my eyes alone. I don't want you to touch them. No, don't touch my eyes. No, you are hurting me. They're burning. What have you done to them? What have you put on them?
Go and wash his eyes.
Come on, let's take him to the doctor. Come on. Wait, this way. What's happening?
Come with us and see.
The master has cured the blind man. Can he see? He don't know yet. Give him a good wash. He hasn't touched water all his life. Throw him in. Give him a good wash.
I can see. I am not blind anymore. I can see you. And you. I can see. Brothers.
That can't be true.
Brothers. I'm not blind anymore. I can see everything. Now I know what it means to see.
It's a miracle, I tell you, it's a miracle.
I can see the world. My eyes are open.
See! I tell you,
Brothers, I can see all of you. All of you.
What do you think of that?
Make way there!
The high priest is coming.
Out of the way!
Get back.
What have you got to say? What have you got to say about the man who healed you?
He's a prophet. There is no doubt.
What are you saying? You got your sight back from God, not from that man. He's a sinner.
I don't know. I don't know whether he's a sinner or not. I only know one thing. I was blind. I was blind before. And now I can see.
It's a miracle!
I must go to this man. I must thank him for what he has done for me. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
What's happening? Jesus, cured the blind. Cured? Let me see. Where is it?
Master, I can see. I can see.
Do you believe in the Son of Man?
Who is he, Master? That I may believe in him.
You're seeing him. It is he that is speaking to you.
I believe. Lord.